So where'd he go? I'm just gonna get this dude on camera. Shit on.
Fucking black ass bird.
Look at this dude.
Must be a sign. Look at them black ass fuckers. Got my motherfucking one. I just watched my shit.
Look at this.
Hold up. About to lose his trip. Yeah, don't trip.
Yeah, boy, this just fucked up. Look. Damn birds and shit. The motherfucking bird is shitting on the motherfucking window. My baby was sitting there trying to clean the car. Motherfucker just like, he must have threw that food out there. Damn, I'm about to suck on like a motherfucker. My car.